One of the first new technologies I used that has actually been incorporated into my hematology and coagulation class is the use of Slack as a collaboration tool. As we all know how important it is to have students collaborate on projects. This particular self-study happened to be one of the more difficult assignments. So what I've done is I've given them 71 points for the answers and 0 to 5 for their collaboration. And the reason that I use Slack is so that I could grade and monitor their collaboration. So I linked it here, but I've already got it open, so I'll just go here. And what I've done is the students I have uploaded the anemia self-study and invited them to join. And since it's pretty self-explanatory, they've gone in and they've asked questions and they've created surveys, for example. This was me being me, when is a good time to start the self-study, because nobody had joined yet. So we got them in. And they'll come down and they will ask a question and then they get replies. Thus, and you can view the whole thread over here to the right. And it really helped a lot. The grades increased a lot. The audience for this particular one was my second year MLT students, because I didn't want to overwhelm the first year students with new technology, and also they don't have, the assignments aren't so difficult. Okay, so they had a very good discussion going on here. I went through and I graded based on the amount and the substance of their collaboration. Like just answering a survey didn't count as much as, being the one that made the survey, or being the one that would explain, I made the survey, but this is why I answered the answer I answered. Okay. So that's how it was created. And then I provided the first content, which is just a PDF file of the self-study. They provided the questions because they could choose which ones they had. And then at the end, after everybody had done the thing, and you can see there was a lot of collaboration here, at the end, after I graded them, I came in and I put an explanatory document for the answers so they could see the ones that they missed. So this got everybody involved. I have several students. Only 4 of these students come to campus. So this was a way to get the ones that don't come to campus to converse with each other. And the way I figured this, ISTE standards, like for students, 7A and 7C, and then also standards for leaders, 2B, because I'm trying to incorporate new technologies.